What you got there?
I got myself more of the Zuru Foodie Mini-Brands Series 2. I really like these because I can get tacos. What?
Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry! Greetings, Earthlings!
I get $1 for every time you miss your phrase.
And then you'd have $2.
I'd have nickels.
I'd have a nickel named Philip.
Fail.
So, greetings, Earthlings! We are back today. We are opening the Zuru Foodie Mini-Brands Series 2.
And who better to open this than a foodie?
I'm a foodie. I just like to eat things.
No, you know how to order very well.
Things.
You know how to order very well. Cook? No.
No.
Order? Yes.
Yes.
Please hold while we open. The chime came out. Yes? Are you okay with your eyes over there? Can you see?
I'm the only stick with eyeballs. I know that that's Bug's Life, and this has nothing to do with the Bug's Life. But that's okay. So we're going to open 2 of these in this video. But I have a lot more where that came from.
You are not going to be able to fit that into your recycle.
No, we'll figure it out. So I'm going to start opening
Please hold.
these.
What does your fortune tell you?
I got packages. So we have already started collecting these in a previous video. As to which ones we have,
There's a lot.
I do not know.
What do you... Please hold. Who you got?
Well, I got this.
Well, open.
Okay. I'm not guessing. I'm just... Ooh!
What is it?
It is from the Hard Rock Cafe, and this is their basil lemonade. Ooh, how nice. I love some lemonade. Very
that
cute.
is so cute.
Yes.
That is cute.
And we don't have that one yet. That one I know I don't have.
Next.
We got this, which is a pizza of some kind. I can tell because
I hope it's a stuffed crust.
flat. We only have the pepperoni pizza so far and the plain one. This is... What kind of pizza is you? The plastic kind.
It
Let's
looks like
see.
it's heart-shaped tomato.
This is this the original pan meat lovers?
That does not look like meat lover.
No, this is the hand-tossed Hawaiian. Which we do
so
not
it has
have.
pineapple on it.
Yes.
We're going to put that away.
Yes. So there's no more... What is this?
Is it another pizza?
No, I see a pretzel, which makes me happy because
It's an Auntie Anne's?
it's an Auntie Anne's
Oh,
pepperoni,
it's the
pizza
pepperoni
pretzel.
pizza.
Yes, so we're gonna put that in there. Actually, we're gonna pull this out so you can see it. So you can see what we got in our balls. And I'm gonna check it off.
You're getting all new ones so far. You got
So far.
2 left.
Yes, we got this one, which this one's in a big box. So we'll see what it is.
Does that mean that it's a
Oh, we got money in here too.
money?
Yeah, this is the Mini-Brands. What kind of money is this? Let's see.
Why were there 2 in there?
There's money. This is 100 something. I think it's this. I'm gonna check that off. And we've got the triple treat box. Ooh, I love the triple treat box from Pizza Hut.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I do, because I love a treat because I'm a treat.
The delusional treat, but a
Yes,
treat.
thank you. But I'm excited about that one because that one is also new to us. And then here is our last one. This feels like chicken.
Is it bucket of fried chicken?
Nope, it is the Jack in the Box mini tacos, which I believe we already have. So this is our first dupe. So yes, that is our first ball. I have 1 more ball, so I have 2 balls. None are blue.
Please hold. How many you get?
5.
All right,
I can hear the ocean.
All right, Leia. Let's see who is your first one.
This one is long. Oh!
It's a Subway foot
It's a
long.
Subway footlong. What kind?
It's like a steak.
This is the steak and cheese footlong, which I do not have. So that is new.
Yay!
Yeah.
It is not poo, but it's
This
new.
one's another pizza.
Another.
Oh, no, wait. This isn't the pizza. Oh, this is the Detroit style pizza, which this one is not new to us. I know I have the Detroit style one.
Did you
So-
already have it marked off?
And I'll have it marked off now, but I know I have this one because I remember it now that I've seen it. And I'm like, I have this already.
Okay, next.
We're going to keep that closed. I can't open that. And then this one. Don't think I have this. This is the Jack in the Box curly fries, which I may or may not have. I do not remember. But I checked it off, so I might have that downstairs. But at least now I officially do have it. I do have it. Yes. All right. So we have 2 left.
Trying for new ones.
I don't know what this is.
What?
Teriyaki.
Is this the one you wanted?
I think I already have that one, but I don't care because it's from Cora, aka Cora Sushi, aka the place that we really like. We do like Cora Sushi.
We do like Cora Sushi.
We do.
That was an interesting day.
Yes, but it was good food.
But it was good food.
Yes, and this right here is something in a box. So this is the Jack in the Box.
It's a breakfast sandwich.
And look, it goes.
And it looks like a croissant. It's a croissant with bacon.
It's got bacon on it. Yes.
I went.
So this is the Jack in the Box Supreme Croissant.
Croissant.
So out of these ones, we got 7 new ones.
Are you happy?
Yeah, of course I'm. Oh wait, there should be money somewhere in one of these.
Use poor. Are you sure the money was just not a dumb luck one?
No, I hope they usually give you money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it is dumb luck. We will find out later.
You was a poor lady.
I'm a poor lady, yes. So we have 10 new ones, but we got a ton more of these to open. So come back in the next video where I open more of these.
Toodaloo!
Bye, everyone.